Hello everyone, this is Louise from Thunderlaser. Welcome to our special Halloween event. And today I want to invite you to join me together to create 3 very interesting and practical samples. If you are interested in laser technology and also some creative ideas, stay tuned. Now let's get started. First of all, I want to introduce the materials and machine we use today. The machine we use is our thunderbolt, and the materials includes the acrylic, the wood, rope, and the bamboo chain. The first project is our engraved food chain. It uses the bamboo materials, and as we all know, the bamboo is a very special material. It's lightweight, durable, and also can be engraved very beautifully. As our board work is magic, then the intricate details will come out. Now let's see how it works. Our thunderbolt can handle with more than 12 materials like acrylic, wood, ABS stones, leather, glass, and some other materials. When you process with the bamboo, please note that to balance the engraved depth and then also without burning its surface. Its natural grace and engraved patterns can keep it unique in the Halloween decorations. With this bamboo food chain, you can treat your friends in the Halloween party with some sugar or biscuits. The second project is our ghost ring chime. Imagine that it's hanging in ring and can definitely add the spooky charm to your home. It uses the acrylic materials and its most popular materials in the world, and it cuts like the butter on our bot laser machines. The precision allowed it to perform better in the cutting. Our bots continue the proven cutting quality as our Nova series. It's all about the precise engraving and the clean finishes. After cutting the pattern you like, then you can rid of the film and string these little guys up with fishing line and rope. By the way, I want to introduce our bot series to you briefly. Our bot uses the CO2 RF laser tube and is air cooling, so you don't need to purchase a water chiller separately. Also, it can make sure that a longer lifespan and lower maintenance. Plus, our bot processing speed can be up to 1500 millimeters per second. It can help you save more time, and also this wind chime can be easy to operate. So I believe it's a top choice for you to decorate your Halloween party. Now let's reach to the last project. It's a very creative project, and it's a door sign, and it's made of the 5mm wood. After the cutting, that is the semi-final product. Then you can use the color pens to paint the colors you want on it, and then you can get a unique final product by yourself. As we can see, its cut edges is very clean, and also you can DIY with your family and to decorate it in your kids' house and to show everybody that you are holding a Halloween party. And at last, I wanted to share some creative ideas with you. For example, the trick or treat candy bag, you can customize your name or some unique patterns like the bag, the smiling pumpkin face, or holding a Halloween party. Then you can personalize the names on the candy bags to make sure that your kids or your neighbors can be stand out in the Halloween party. With our bot laser machine, all these projects can be easy and fast to make. That's all for today's Halloween samples introduction. If you are interested for more details, you can keep an eye on our latest updates. See you in the next video and happy Halloween!